Okay, 5 days after my previous hop edition, here's going to be my last hop edition. This is what the spent hops look like. They smell so good. And this is going to be my last hop edition. Yummy. So the hops, as I understand it, were not the original way to flavor the beer. There was like these combinations of spices, like juniper berries, sage, caraway seeds, all kinds of stuff, but they were proprietary formulas that churches sold, and they sold them at high rates, so brewers wanted to make their own, and they used hops. And this became, like, I don't know, around the 1200s, 12th century or 13th century, I think it was, started to become popular. So what you see floating in my tank is some of the hops that escaped from the last basket, which is no problem because it'll all come out in the cold crash. This stuff smells so good, I want to use it to make some kind of potpourri and put it in my underwear drawer or something. Actually, it's still producing bubbles. This thing is still fermenting. Let's see, how many days later? Very, very slowly, a bubble every 2-3 minutes or so. But you don't want to bottle anything that's still fermenting, for sure. That's how you get exploding beer, which is one mistake I haven't made yet. I made some good mistakes. And I did make one exploding because I put it into an iced coffee bottle instead of a carbonated drink bottle. It didn't explode, it just burst a seam and started leaking. That's one mistake I made. And I skunked one beer by exposing it to too much light. It makes a stinky compound. So here's my last infusion of hops. Fresh green scum on top.